Are you planning a trip to the United States and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for the USA in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for the United States is Mobile. They offer unbeatable value, especially for travelers who need a solid amount of data without overpaying. For short-term trips, you've got 3 gigabytes for $8.09, 5 gigabytes for $12.59, and 10 gigabytes for $17.09, all valid for 10 days. If you need even more data, there's 20 gigabytes for $26.09, 40 gigabytes for $39.59, and even unlimited data for $26.99. All plans are 5G enabled and activate instantly. Maya is great if you just want to get online fast with zero complications. Everything is done through their website, no apps, no extra steps, just pick, pay, scan, and go. Now, if for any reason Maya isn't the right fit for you, or if you prefer using an app-based provider, then Airalo is another solid option. For the US, Airalo offers 1 gigabyte for $4.50 for 7 days, 2 gigabytes for $8, 15 days, and 3 gigabytes for $11, and that's 30 days. Heavier users can go for 5 gigabytes at $16, 10 gigabytes at $26, or 20 gigabytes at $42, all valid for 30 days. Airalo's app is simple and well designed. You can search, purchase, and manage your eSIM all in one place. After buying, you receive a QR code instantly, and you can top up anytime through the app if needed. Now, let's discuss the setup and how to claim your discount. For Mobile, click the link in the description and it'll take you straight to their homepage. From there, just type USA into the search bar, pick your preferred plan, and continue to checkout. You'll see a 10% discount applied automatically. Once you pay, you'll get a QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone's camera and your eSIM will be active and ready to use in seconds. If you go with Airalo, the process is just as smooth. Click the link in the description and install the Airalo app. Search for United States, pick your data plan, and check out. The 10% discount will be applied automatically through the link. After that, you'll receive your QR code and be online in minutes. So, which one should you choose? If you want fast activation, great high data pricing, and don't want to install another app, go with Mobile. But if you like managing your eSIMs inside a simple app and want solid low data options, Airalo is a great alternative. Both discount links are below. Pick what works best for your trip and you'll be connected in the US in just minutes. No roaming, no physical SIM card, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.